At the time of this recording, Rails 8.1 was released about a month ago, and in this episode, we're going to explore the local CI. I do think that the documentation and the guides is a really great starting place for this, but I just wanted to cover it from a fresh perspective because I did have some initial thoughts on it. There's been many times when I've deployed an application through my CI/CD pipeline, so I push up the commit, make the merge request, merge the branch, and then the CI/CD pipeline will run the test, bundler audit, and then, if everything passes, deploy the application. But the builders I use are often slower than my local machine, and sometimes I'll introduce a regression, which ends up causing the tests to fail. And the feedback time for that is usually a couple of minutes. And so I think that this is where the local CI could be very handy, because most often on a local machine, you're going to get much better single thread performance. And with multiple cores, running the parallel tests can also go a lot faster. So in this episode, we're just going to explore the local CI and how we can set it up in a fresh Rails application. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.